How's it going, folks? Thanks for stopping by today. Anyways, look at these cicadas. It's cicada season here. Another year of cicadas. These suckers are everywhere.
Oh, look at it. Those over there on the other side.
Yeah? Oh, yeah, on the winter wheat. Let's go get a close look at that winter wheat. Oh, man. These guys. Crazy. Yep. Just a couple more. Wow.
One on your pants.
I believe it. There. Yeah, he is. Hey, buddy. What you doing?
What?
What you doing, buddy? It's pretty much like that scene from Gladiator. Here, try to make it real for you. Oh, hey, cicada. Yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. Just a quick one today.